I want to do a quick review of this hand truck here. So this one is conveniently made to go up and down stairs, which we have a lot of stairs in our house. Our garage is in the basement. Our kitchen and living room are upstairs. When packages come, groceries, all that stuff, it's got to get upstairs somehow. And this cart has been a back saver. So these wheels are designed to rotate. So it rolls on just 4 wheels at a time, but then when you hit the stair, it kind of pivots to go up and rolls up each stair. So even though these are smaller wheels, this design makes it way easier than those big wheeled carts that kind of go up and go clunk up each step. These just kind of pivot and slowly go up those steps. So nice big base on it here that folds out, as well as a nice tall handle. Makes it very convenient and easy to use. We use it just to haul stuff like storage bins around. We store all of our holiday stuff in the basement storage room. And so to get those bins upstairs for Christmas, this is going to be super convenient, as well as just to get other big items moved around. So this holds 360 pounds when you're going up and down stairs, but it's rated to 460 pounds on flat surfaces. So that's plenty of weight to carry all the stuff that we have in those bins and boxes. And this is going to be a great help around the house. If you are carrying a super tall item, it does have this kind of second handle here, so that if the item is laying across the face of this handle, you can actually carry it with this too. So bookshelves, other taller items like that, that's a nice convenient feature too. So if you're in the market for a handy hand cart or truck that needs to go up and down stairs, I highly recommend this one from Kedsum.